COMSOL is a powerful tool for studying acoustic metamaterials, especially for calculating sound transmission loss and plotting dispersion curves. Hello, I'm Armin. In this three-part tutorial, I'll show you how to design and analyze a labyrinthine acoustic cell using COMSOL together with LiveLink for SOLIDWORKS. In Part 1, we'll calculate the sound transmission loss of an acoustic metamaterial cell and go through the proper boundary conditions. In Part 2, we'll use LiveLink for SOLIDWORKS to import geometric parameters into COMSOL, perform a parametric study, and examine their effect on sound transmission loss. We will also use a parametric sweep and LiveLink for SOLIDWORKS with similar boundary conditions for two cells and evaluate the resulting sound transmission loss. Finally, in Part 3, we'll plot the dispersion curve using the appropriate boundary conditions to clearly identify the band gaps. Stay with me until the end, and you'll have a complete workflow for modeling acoustic metamaterials in COMSOL.